What is going on, you fucking degenerates, man? I know what you're thinking. You're there. You're like, bro, where you been? Where you been? It's been like 2 weeks since you posted a video. Where you been? You've been blowing up this account. What the fuck you been doing, bro? Nah, man, I'm still here. I'm still chilling. I'm still trading. I'm moving. So I'm actually moving across the country. Me and my dog are driving out to the West Coast. Going to go live in Seattle. Live out in Washington. So if any of you fuckers are out there, hit me up. But that's where I've been, man. Just getting ready to move. I've only been trading like the first 30 minutes of the day, and I've been taking off, and it's just been kind of nothing crazy. So I just don't have time to be posting videos. But honestly, man, this is just so disgusting, and it's so fucking horrific, and so many people are going to get crushed. I have to post a video about this, man, because people are about to get absolutely fucking wrecked. I mean, they probably already are. I mean, you're fucking looking at this spy chart here. I mean, yeah, bro. Yeah. Tricky market. Coming to a daily. What did they do, man? What did they do? They ran us up here. Look at all this volume, guys, coming in up here. And then they gapped us all the way down, screwing all of these longs this entire week, bro. Friday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. All these longs, bro. Fucking underwater. Right underwater, man. And this is what I wanted to write this about, guys. This is what I wanted to talk to you guys about. Or not write, I guess, just fucking chat on this video. If you are just getting started in trading, and you have been longing options like a motherfucker, and you are printing money, you need to slow the fuck down, bro. You need to slow the fuck down. You need to pull out those profits and reduce that size. Because these people are fucking with you. These people are absolutely fucking with you. This isn't real. Do you know what I mean? This is not real. This, guys, you think this is fair value? You know what I mean? What is a free market? What is a free market? A free market is a buyer and a seller agree on a fair price, and that is what it is sold for. Right? Do we live in a free market? No. No, we do not. We've got QE, unlimited QE, the Fed fucking buying everything, right? And then what we had over here was shorts, man. So, look, man, I don't know if anybody here follows the positioning indicators, but you fucking should. You fucking should, all right? Let's talk about the positioning indicators, all right? Right now, okay, we'll just talk about this area first, and then we'll talk about what they were saying up in this area, okay? So down here in this choppy area, guys, all right, we had literally fucking hedgers long, okay? Hedgers were fucking balls deep long. Hedgers are, okay, and I guess I'll describe the categories. People who hedge, guys, they make fucking money. Hedgers make money. No matter what is happening, they are always thinking about the other side of the trade. They are always taking risk off, right? And the few times they put risk on, they are dead fucking right. Guess where the hedgers started putting risk on in this fucking sell-off, guys? Here. Hedgers went full long down here. Hedge funds were short. Fucking retail was short. Fucking spec money was short. And hedgers were long. They were the only fuckers long, and they rode this whole thing up. Coming up into here, we had hedge funds continue to add to their shorts. We had retail continue to add to their shorts. Nobody fucking covered here, guys. Nobody was covering their shorts here, all right? So we know, I mean, if any of us have ever seen a fucking market before, we know that everyone was waiting for that double bottom here. So hedge funds are net short, right? And they never picked up anything on the long side. So this entire move right here, this fucking 20% move back up, 30% move back up, they missed it. It's gone. It's in all the articles, bro. Fucking go on Market Watch. Every one of them have missed it. Buffett missed it. Fucking all these lads missed this shit, okay? So these fellas aren't even in there. They're short, right? Retail is short. What do you have here? This is the most epic fucking squeeze ever. And what day did everybody cover their shorts? They cover their shorts up here. Why does that matter, guys? How does a short squeeze work? If you're new, I'm going to explain it super fucking quick. But if you're trading this market, guys, you need to be looking this shit up. You need to be on top of it because they are going to come and crush you, bro. They are looking to fucking take lives here in this market right now, okay? So I'm being very fucking serious. Like, I didn't want to post a video until I was totally moved into Seattle. But I had to make this video because this is fucked. Like, this is some serious shit. And none of you all you fuckers are listening to Dave Portnoy, bro. All you fuckers are listening to that DDTG motherfucker printing money over there. You can't do that, bro. You cannot do that because those are the people that the market makers come and take all of that money. They do not mind giving you a little bit of money in the short side or like in the short term, okay? Because they know you're going to turn around and throw all that shit back in and they're just going to fucking take it, bro. They're just going to take that shit, okay? Anyway, let's talk about that short squeeze. What is a short squeeze, guys? When you short a stock, you borrow shares from your broker, agreeing to buy those shares back at a later date. You assume you're going to buy those shares back at a lower price, therefore keeping the difference and making a profit. Okay? What happens when that doesn't fucking happen, right? Everyone is short here. We start breaking through highs. As you start breaking through highs, as shorts start covering, the only way to cover a short, guys, is to buy back those shares, right? Buy back those shares. What you have here is a fucking ridiculous short squeeze. These motherfuckers kept shorting, buying back their shares, shorting, buying back their shares, reshorting, buying back their shares. They were being forced to buy as more shorts cover, more shorts are forced to cover, creating more buying pressure. Like, that's what it is, guys. And this massive spike in volume right here, you go take a look at the positioning indicators. What do they say? What do they say? They say over like, what was it? It was like 100 some billion dollars of shorts covered, right? Total across the market. You look at all them shits, 100 and some billion dollars worth of shorts covered those positions on Friday. Okay, so the squeeze is gone. We don't have the edge off those shorts anymore, right? But market is still ripping all fucking week, dude. All fucking week. Market's been ripping. Let's fucking look at Amazon. Shit ripped. Let's fucking look at Tesla. Right? Shit fucking popped off, man. Let's fucking look at NKLA. Rockets, dude. Like these things, this thing went from 30 bucks to 93. These things have been absolute fucking rockets, right? And you know what, you want to see the craziest thing? That fucking tells me how fucking degenerate all of you people at home are? Look at this shit, man. Look at this shit, bro. Fucking hurts, dude. They declared bankruptcy on the 3rd, right? Or the 3rd, the 4th. It went to $6, bro. It was less than $1. That shit went up to $6. And guess what motherfuckers own Hertz, bro? You Robin Hooders. You Robin Hood motherfucking people with your Robin Hood accounts buying a fucking bankrupt company, squeezing this shit all the way up. And these market makers are just stealing that money, bro. They don't give a fuck because they know this thing is going to zero. Unless this is some sort of crazy ass like fucking situation where we had somebody come in and buy a bankrupt company last minute and then the thing blew up. It was Martin Shkreli. Martin Shkreli bought a biotech company. I think it was IBIO. I'm not sure though. A while ago. And that shit went from like 50 cents to $40 overnight, right? So unless this is that kind of situation, which it's probably definitely not because it's not a biotech company, it's fucking Hertz, right? All of you fuckers are about to get crushed. Now, last couple days, we're talking about all these things fucking popping off, blowing off, right? But what do you see over the last couple days in the actual index, right? In the actual index, it's resting. All right, guys. And now look what they did. Right? You got the short cover. They loaded in a couple more people up here at highs, people you fuckers who are chasing these crazy ass stocks. And then they gapped this thing down 10 fucking points. 10 points, guys. Giving away all of the gains from literally the last 6 trading days. Right off the bat. And no, they didn't do just that either, did they? No, they fucking didn't. Let's go and take a quick look here, guys, at a 15-minute chart. Because there's something very, very fucking funny I want to show you on every one of these charts, which just goes to show how much these market makers hate us and how much they want to take our money and why we need to be so much better about the risk reward that we're willing to take because these guys are playing some fucking games, bro. All right. So let's just take a look at the SPY, right? Pre-market lows, 310.17. What did they do? They dipped it under pre-market lows, loaded in a fuckload of shorts, ripped it right up. Then what did they do? They broke that high right there, that 15-minute high. So what did they do? They fucking roped you in, and then they fucking knocked you out, forcing everybody to cover again up here At which point they then turn it back around and start bringing it right back under, right? But this isn't an easy short. You know what I mean? You're popping in on this thing short. You're going, and then you get a 308 to 309.55. So you get like a fucking $1.50 squeeze on it, right back up over that 15-minute high, and then they bring you right back down. This is not an easy environment to trade, people. It just simply is not. Okay? We have so much money sitting on the sidelines here, guys. Like literally so much money. And I don't know what the fuck they're going to do. Do you know what I mean? Okay, man, let's just think. Let's say you run a hedge fund, right? Let's say you manage a $2 billion account, right? And let's just say you missed all this shit and you were shorting the whole way. So while the SPY is currently back to basically where it was at the start of the year, right? We've erased the losses of the year, or we had before this fucking gap down. Right? But you are fucking red as shit on the year. So you are severely underperforming the indexes. And not only that, even when you stopped shorting, you're trying to look for a long entry, but it's just not fucking there. They're just squeezing this thing. So what do you do as a hedge fund, right? You got all this fucking cash, right? And this is where I'm stuck, guys. And this is why I've been trading small size. I've been trading so quickly, in and out, in and out, in and out, scalp. I'm looking for $1, $2, $3. If it's a Tesla or an Amazon, I'm looking for maybe $10, $15. But guys, I'm just taking some small ass profits off this because, like, I don't know what the fuck I would do. Would I try and if I had the money to actually move these markets, right? Would I be trying to short this thing right back down to lows again, assuming that this was just a ridiculous run and we're about to get hit with a second wave? You know? Or do I say, fuck, this price action is strong as tits. I can't afford to miss out on this anymore. I need to start buying every dip. And then you start seeing hedge funds buy fucking everything down towards this 300. And then that'll just hold us up and then we rip. Guys, I honestly don't fucking know. I don't know what's going to happen. I'm going to have to wait and see how the indicators turn out. Tell us what the positioning is looking like. Tell us what everyone is looking like they're doing. But, dude, this is a tough market, man. This is a tough market. And if you read CNBC this morning, and these motherfuckers are talking about the second wave of coronavirus causing this gap down, and you believe that shit, bro, you are not a trader. You need to get the fuck out of this game because you are not with it, man. The CNBC doesn't know shit, bro. Price action. Price action is everything. Market makers. These people run the markets. They build the liquidity. They fucking rope you in. They dope you out, bro. These dudes are savages. These are the best motherfucking traders, right? That have fucking ever lived. Ever lived, right? These fucking market makers, man. And we're trying to compete with them at home. You know what I mean? And they have so much more information, bro. They can see a squeeze coming from a mile away. They can start a squeeze themselves. Do you know what I mean? These people see all the orders. They see all your stops. They see where you're putting your shit. They see your address, bro. If you keep coming in with the same shit and you're coming in with size, the market makers will start fucking with you specifically because then they can identify you, bro. These dudes are good. These dudes are the smartest motherfuckers in the entire world. Legit, man. What did fucking Jeff Bezos do before he started Amazon, dude? He was a fucking quantitative analyst at a fucking hedge fund. These people are fucking smart, dude. And you and I are fucking sitting at home fucking smoking weed and trying to make some fucking money. Do you know what I mean? This is the level, man. The level in this game, it's just some fucking next level shit, man. And like, I thought I understood the market 6 months ago. You know what I mean? I thought I understood it, man. I was doing well. I was doing very well. But this, man, now I'm starting to realize how shady this shit is, bro. How shady this shit is. And you know what the other fucking thing is, man? Everybody protesting in the streets right now, as you fucking should be, right? Fuck those police, man. That shit's ridiculous. But everybody who's protesting in the streets right now, they have no idea that the greatest wealth transfer of all time has happened. They have no idea that everybody was selling their shit the whole way down and that very, very, very few people caught this bottom and very few people are running this thing right back up. The Fed is destroying the value of the dollar. The dollar is holding strong. I don't know how. But if you think about what the Fed is doing, unlimited QE, printing unlimited money, money that doesn't exist. They're buying this shit with money that doesn't exist. And you're telling me we're not going to see some inflation? We're not going to see some effect on the dollar? Man, fucking hell no, bro. Hell no. Anywho, this was kind of my warning to you guys. Watch out, man. Watch out. Because these fellas are coming for you, and they're coming for you hard, bro. Hard. Hard. Without a doubt, man. Without a doubt. So, yeah, man. Good luck out there, guys. You know, get to work. Do what you can. But, guys, if you're making hella money, if you're a fucking autist on Wall Street Bets, man, right? And I say that with, like, the highest compliments. Like, bro, you seriously need to fucking pull those profits, dude. You got to start pulling some of that money out of those accounts, bro. Because guess what? When you lose all this shit, you're still getting taxed, motherfucker. They're still going to tax you on that shit. And when you're paying those taxes, bro, you're going to wish you hadn't done a fucking YOLO on some FDs, bro, on some SPY 390 calls. You know what I mean? Like, come on, guys. Let's just use those brains, baby. Use those brains. All right, guys. Good luck out there. And just keep on keeping on, man. Keep on keeping on.